Alright, small animals, this is for the modified track version of week 5. Holy cow, we made it this long already. We're doing great. This week covers April 27th through May 1st. Our learning targets are going to be to evaluate controversial health topics for our pets, assess alternative healthcare methods, and discuss an introduction to grooming practices. Our ongoing project is our SAE project, and if you have any questions, you should reach out to myself or Miss Seibert so we can answer those. Or Miss Monahan, because, yeah, she's there for you. Make sure you turn all your stuff into the Google Forms. You guys have been really good about that. Everything's going to be due Friday, May 1st at midnight, so make sure you get it in. And then, yeah, let's get started. So, on Monday, we're going to talk about controversial health topics. So these are things with our pets that not everyone necessarily agrees on, but what I need you guys to do is pick 3 of these 5 topics. You're going to either click the video link or the article link, learn a little bit about them. I want you to illustrate what you think the pros and cons of these topics are after learning about or going through these resources, because they'll give you some of those pros and cons, so those will be good for you. And then I want you to form your own opinion. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with this procedure, and why? So again, I want you to do 3 of these 5 topics in that assignment. On Tuesday, we're going to talk about alternative healthcare. So what you are going to do is open up this PowerPoint right here, and then what we're going to have you do is look into other forms of healthcare that we might not jump right to using with our pets, but they're options. So what I want you guys to do is find out what each of these words means in relation to our healthcare of our pets. So this is going to be a 2-day assignment, and we've illustrated which ones you're responsible to figure out on which days. So hopefully you can figure all that out and put them into that document right there. And then when we move to Thursday, we have a nice little PowerPoint about how to groom a dog. Looks like I forgot to link in the video reading of me reading that, but I've done it, so I will do that, and it'll be good for you guys. It'll show up blue. You can click it and see how to groom a dog right there through a PowerPoint, I guess. I'm just reading it, but and then you get a choice on your assignment. You can either do a grooming demonstration, and I believe it asks you to provide 4 pictures of you grooming your animal at home, or if you don't have an animal, you can choose to do this grooming tools assignment, in which you will identify, I think it's 6 of the tools, or they're identified, I guess. So you'll pick 6 of them, and you'll try and find out what their purpose is, and you're going to add those to the document. On Friday, our assignment is going to be our at-home animals, so make sure you get your interview done, and if you need somebody to interview, make sure you reach out to myself or Miss Seibert or Miss Monahan so we can get you in touch with somebody that might have an animal. All your forms are down here below, so you're going to turn them in right below, so your controversial health topics will go here. Once you finish all your definitions, your alternative healthcare will go here. Our grooming demonstration will go here, or our tools, sorry, and then our at-home animals will go here. This is going to wrap up week 5 for us. I know you guys are going to do really great, and I want to wish you the best of luck, but this will actually be my last video, because Friday is my last day of school with you guys, so Miss Seibert is going to start planning for the week after. I will grade your assignments through Friday, but then after that you'll be back in her hands, so good luck with that. You'll probably need it. Nah, I'm just kidding. She's great. You guys are going to do awesome. I wish you the best of luck, and I want to thank you for letting me teach you over the last few weeks. It's been a lot of fun, and I've enjoyed getting to see what you guys have been able to do. So good luck with this week. Have a great week. Get outside, have some fun, and we'll see you later.